All right, good afternoon. Welcome to the channel. I'm Carla with Vintage Hiker Life and want to talk to you today about the newest addition to the Subaru Forester Wilderness camping build. Opted to purchase a entry-level rooftop tent from a company called FeatherLyte Outdoors. I purchased this tent, Black Friday sale, got a few $100s off. Pretty stoked about that. After researching rooftop tents, the pros and cons, wanted to have a different experience and again opted to purchase an entry-level tent through this company. And you're going to follow this channel to be able to see how we do with this tent. I purchased the tent through a company called The Spirit of 1876 out of Colorado. I have to say their customer service when I had questions, as well as FeatherLyte Outdoors, Dylan at FeatherLyte Outdoors, customer service from both of these companies is excellent. I highly recommend checking them out. And you certainly can go over to FeatherLyte Outdoors YouTube channel to learn more about their products. This is a two-person tent. We were able to camp successfully last weekend with myself and my partner, who is 6 foot tall, and a 54-pound dog. All three of us were able to fit in comfortably in this tent. So I'm going to go over just a few of the details of the tent. And we're able to keep the bedding inside the tent and to be able to close it up, which helps to limit time as far as camp setup. But here's the view of the inside. And attached via Velcro are these pockets. And very useful to put keys, phone, wallet here when we're sleeping. Has some nice insulation on the roof. Has an LED light strip attached via Velcro. This pocket here can put a portable power source in here, which I did, and it was really nice to have the light to be able to be dimmable in either a warm light or a cool light, depending on what kind of mood you're looking for. Have windows down here. Okay, and they're on both sides, and also have not one but two of the openings for either for diesel heat or air condition. This is a 3-inch pad. Slept pretty comfortably in this tent. Of course, you have your windows that roll up with the screen on both sides, and again on the rear. The ladder can be attached either to the rear, as I have it on my car, or to either side. Opted to keep the hatch closed. I still have my original build, the Venture House build, inside. And that way, if we decide to not set up the rooftop tent for whatever reason, we still can crawl into the back of the car. This tent, we camped in 30-degree temperatures, 30-degree Fahrenheit temperature, stayed pretty warm and cozy on the inside of the tent without any external heat source. Looking forward to doing more winter camping as well as we continue into the spring and summer. Stay tuned for this channel, and I'll talk more about our adventures and let you know how this tent holds up.